Hey everybody, it's Tim McCamus. We're back out in the shop tonight and I got a couple new products here to introduce. So these items in front of me here are protective head padding that goes inside the funny car cage. These two pads are made as a set, and there's obviously a left and a right. You can see one's a little thinner than the other. So this thin pad's going to go on your left side and the thicker pad's going to go on your right side. Now these are made by DSP. They are super nice products. They have comfort foam top and then a little denser foam down inside there, so they provide good impact resistance, and they're nice looking, nice fit. They are 45-2 SFI'd, so these are good for any association. They're going to attach, they have aluminum backing plate in them, so the back of this starts out as an aluminum plate. And then you would attach these with the aluminum mounting clamp kits that we have, which are sized for different tubing. So depending on what size tube, like on this left side here, you would most likely have either a 3/4 diameter tube or maybe even a 1-inch. And the clamps go over that. There's inserts that go in the aluminum, and then the clamps fit over the tube. So these are real easy to install. They're easy to change out of the car if you need to do something different, but there's no welding required. So you can just put these up, align it with the tube, get in the car, make sure they're on the center line of your head, so that when your head's going to move from left to right, that the padding is in the right place. Like, you don't want them down here, too close to your shoulders. You need to get them up here where your helmet is going to impact them. So if the car does get out of shape or gets on the side or makes a little side swipe on the retaining wall or something, that impact foam is going to be right in line with your helmet. So very nice products. These would kind of go in conjunction with a carbon seat that has a pour-in kit that fits to your body. So you would have that kind of cradling your lower half of your body up to your rib cage, and then you're up around the back side of your shoulders. And then these would take place on the left and right side of your helmet. So very nice product, very good quality, and really nice fit and finish. So check them out on our website. These probably take 30 minutes to install. They're real easy. You're going to use the clamps for a guide, mark them, drill them, put the inserts in, and then bolt them on. You are going to put some locking inserts in here. So when you drill through this aluminum, you just got to be careful. You only want to go just through the aluminum and stop. You don't want to get too deep, especially in this thin pad. You don't have a lot of cushion in here. So you're going to drill 4 holes. You're going to pop the nutserts in there, clamp them down, and then you're going to attach the clamp from the back side. That's going to go over that tube and pull that tight against the chassis. So they're going to fit on a little bit of an angle. Going to look something like this. They are tapered up front, so when you're getting in the car, you don't have a blunt edge to hit. Very nice. So check them out, and we have these in stock and they're ready to ship. So give us a shout if you need some help. Talk to you later.